Duo. Oh, it's so cold. Am I?
I'm crying.
Wow. This is insanity.
Hi guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. We are back at the airport. I hope you all can hear me. I am boarding my flight in like the next 5 or 10 minutes, and I'm going to London. And Mals is meeting me there. I parted ways with my parents after a very fun 2 weeks. Feeling so sad because they're going back. And honestly, I'm so tired, and I'm ready for like dal chawal and biryani. Like I am ready to go home. I think 3 weeks of traveling is a little too long for me now. I know, but I have 1 more week in Ireland and in London with Mallory, and it's gonna be so much fun. But yeah, I can't wait to meet her. I haven't seen her in 3 months, and I don't know if Sakshi's coming or not. I don't think she's coming. Yeah, I am traveling EasyJet, so I'm not so easy about it. I don't know how good or bad it's gonna be. But that was the only option for flights. And let me do a quick fit check to show you what I'm wearing at the airport. I'm getting quite used to vlogging in public now, but I'm gonna head to my gate. There's seats at my gate, which is so weird. First of all, I've never seen an airport like this. Tax-free was after check-in. So like, how do you show your goods at tax-free? And there was like one machine for tax-free. Again, crazy. And when I entered, there was like, I want to say like 5 or 7 people at this airport. There was one person ahead of me in security check. If I get any of these people to Bombay, they're gonna get a reality check because there's so little people here in general, and everything is so empty. And if they come to Mumbai, they're literally gonna lose their mind because there's so many people and the queues are so long. And here I was literally done with everything in like 10 minutes, which was obviously so cool, but very different experience. And you just don't know what to do and where to go because there's just no one around you. But anyway, I'm gonna see you all straight when I land in London, when I meet Malu. We have to go to our hotel, check in, and then go out for the day. So I will see you then, and until then, miss me, which is gonna be like 2 seconds for you. But bye. Landed in London, guys. I'm gonna go find Malu. I just got my bag. Let's go. Where are you? I'm at Pret. Do you see a Pret? Where? Hold on.
I had so much coffee, like I needed matcha. Oh my god,
What the hell? What is that? What's that? Yay! Guys, on a train again. Can't believe it.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to London Victoria. The next station is West Croydon.
Hi guys, we are back together. The iconic duo. I am in so many layers, and Malu is chilling as if she's living in Bombay summer.
But guys, I live here now. Like,
Yeah, she lives
not in London, but
in Ireland.
yeah.
And she doesn't just feel as cold and stuff like that. Like, she's chilling.
Dude,
she's fine.
I emerged from the most horrid winter possible.
Yeah, it was really cold.
It was
this time
very
now.
bad.
Yeah. So I'm in London for a day with Malu. We're meeting my cousins today and tonight just for dinner and drinks. And we're walking around in London city.
Look at how pretty it's looking.
Oh yeah,
also.
look at the views. Wow, Big Ben.
Ooh.
Crazy. So pretty. I have to vlog for Malu's mom. She told me to vlog properly. Auntie, I hope you like this vlog.
Yeah. I'm gonna take little.
Yeah, do.
Little
Funny
bite.
thing is, you know what she said? She said, I'm going to do ha to nobody. Nobody there.
Yeah, but I didn't
If you're going to act natural.
Act here.
at the wedding, so you know, the photographers were like 1, 2, 3, laugh, and you're like,
Yeah.
This is all Malu's veg food. Are you gonna eat all this?
They give you a cap to wear one.
We thought Malav was coming.
Yeah, he would have finished all.
I need Mars now.
as well.
Yeah, how can you forget?
How could you forget?
Guys, comment Malav if you all want to see him talk in the next vlog.
Mars is my ops, but I need him here right now.
Like paneer alag
chutney ka powder.
Sorry, I just dropped all this shit everywhere.
I did it like all the cool kids. I took a picture of my matcha,
Oh, that's a nice matcha.
Mango cake.
you know, with my car.
it
and a
looks
bat and a
nice.
tree.
You qualify as a...
Mallu eat.
This is veg, huh?
I was already getting bullied by Ria. I don't need like...
Oh, I'm...
Oozing is hold on, oozing matcha.
Comment down below if you think this is aesthetic or not.
You want my jacket? I'm still telling you I have like
No, come now, we sit in the train and then we'll be fine. Rise and shine, bitches. We are going to Ireland today.
Yes! Home!
We get to see Mallu's home, which is so cool.
She gets to see all my friends, everyone she's heard so much tea about for like so long.
For so long, yeah. Like I already have preconceived notions of everyone.
Yeah. She's met a couple of them already.
Who did I meet? Only Kriti, na?
You met Kriti, you know Kashish.
Kashish is from Bombay, yeah.
You've spoken to like a lot of them, like Ishan,
I have.
Aki and all. You've
Yeah,
spoken
yeah.
to on call.
Yeah, it'll be fun to meet them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday because I don't want to open my vacuum pack because then I'll have to vacuum it again. So I'm just wearing the same thing. But it's cute, guys. It's a very cute outfit from Air Active. They actually met me at Lil Flea and they gave me this set, which is so cute. Just look at it. And then there's a matching sports bra I'm wearing inside, but it's so nice. Thank you, Air Active. I love you. Guys, we've arrived in Dublin in Mallu's house.
Yes, it is.
Wait, should I remove my shoes? I can't just walk around with shoes inside, no?
I mean, I can give you choppers if you want.
I have chappals.
You can though. Like, it's very pissed.
I bought chappals from some train station. Because the floor everywhere was really cold.
Valid.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. House tour time.
This is my foyer.
Oh,
Welcome, guys.
lovely, lovely. Look at this beauty. You can literally come in and take a
We have a
selfie.
mirror here also that says, oh, move
Oh,
it
yeah.
and
Oh, you are so cute. My eyes hurt. I know.
relax. Please.
Let's go.
This is my living
So
room.
cute.
This is where we spend
Wow.
99% of our time. We do not move from here.
It's so cute. Even the view, like it's so
Yeah.
pretty. Stop, just look.
You can see kids playing
Wow.
here all the time.
Guys, by the way, I manifested the sun for them because she's like, it's always cold and rainy and gloomy. And I was like, no, I'm not coming to rain. And look at the weather.
The weather is too good.
It's, you're welcome. It's actually, everything is actually so cute. Like, just stop. Look at all this. Oh, so sweet. This wall is so Mallu coded.
Yeah, na?
Yeah.
This is Kriti and my masterpiece actually.
This is actually really cool. Wow.
This is our favorite part of the house. The
Wow.
bathroom.
Oh no, someone's sleeping here.
The most gorgeous thing about our house, we don't like it so it's
What? I'm a fan of this corner. It's so cute. Oh, kitchen.
Yeah. Very kitchen. Normal kitchen.
Quite big, bro. Like a lot of space. The coffee club! Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so ready for Nespresso, bro.
Same. This is Kriti and my room.
Wow. Yeah, it's actually quite big, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see Aki from there. That's crazy. This is your bed with the dolphin for sure.
Shark.
Oh yeah, whatever. Shark.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it looks comfy. Oh shit, bro, the sky is insane. We're dressed up and we are outside. I don't know, like there's a lot of random people here. Even for Mallory, like these are not all of Mallory's friends, but they're like also her friends.
Yeah.
And
Like there's like about 15 people here.
Yeah.
From the group.
I mean, like 5, 7.
Everyone else I know, like I've met them, but
Yeah.
they're just not a part of the group.
yeah, correct. So like we're meeting some new people. I'm meeting all of Mallu's friends. We're basically at a rooftop. What do you call it? So basically,
No, so one of my friends, he's a DJ and he brought out his DJ set and this is my old accommodation and the rooftop is like, it's great.
Yeah, see
it's
the
really
view.
pretty.
it's so pretty.
He's brought out his DJ sets, we got out a few drinks and we're chilling and vibing and The sun is out and it's
Yeah,
warm.
the weather is actually really nice. Like it's like 19 degrees. Thank God, bro. I would die. And yeah, we're just chilling. I'll show you the vibes with many random people. And the view is wow. And Mallu sitting on this table.
Hi guys.
This is Alex. Oh. And she wanted to say hi to the vlog.
Yeah. See you guys.
We're back at Mallu's house. Oh, Mallu and Kriti and Kashish. Sorry.
House's name is Kevin, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, we are back at Kevin. Is that how you say it?
We're back at Casa Kevin.
Casa Kevin. And we've all changed into pajamas. Guys, it's so cold. It's so cold in the night. But they've given me a blanket. And now we're sitting and we're going to watch a movie on that projector. This is literally my dream life. Like,
This is all we do.
yeah, like this is like the most perfect thing ever.
There's been nights where we have like face masks on and like some.
Just sitting and watching
Yeah.
a movie. This is so iconic.
We don't leave this house. You understand
Yeah,
why?
you know, actually, I met lots of Mallu's friends today, and everyone came and told me, Kriti and Mallu never leave. They didn't call her Mallu, but they said, Kriti and Mallory never leave the house. We have to like convince them, and then when they come out, they're like, okay, now it's time to go back. And I'm like, shit, they're talking about me.
In like 3 minutes flat, we're like, fuck this shit, we want to leave.
But today, y'all chilled for a bit nicely, sweetly.
Hi, DJ.
Say hi to the vlog again.
Hello. Because we like DJ Haka.
Yeah, DJ Haka killed it. Very talented.
No, but more than that also, like one person wanted to leave, one person was just trying to save face.
Fair. And you will never know who is who. Mallu wanted to leave and Kriti was trying to save face. Good morning. Mallu making coffee. Actually, Kriti made half of it. Mallu is making half of it.
is stuck to the bottom of the
Some different problems. They're having breakfast, which looks quite nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to the vlog.
Good morning.
I'm looking crazy.
Wow.
Which other sauce do you
What a
recommend?
fab bagel. Mallu and I are going to Hoth today. Kriti doesn't like Hoth, it seems like. I don't know. Every time Kriti says anything, I feel like she's being sarcastic. She's like, you're going to have so much fun. And I'm like, am I?
is the best.
Is it actually the best?
It's the best.
Oh, okay, fine. So I'm going to Hoth. I'm going to have a great day with Mallu today. And we're eating breakfast. And I'm going to get ready and go. I'm probably going to film a get ready with me because it's been a couple of days. And I've not done any work. I've not done anything. Hello, I'm getting ready. Filming a get ready with me. Want to say hi? Guys, say hi to the vlog. We are gonna leave and I need to charge this camera, so I will see you in a bit. On a train, forgetting to vlog for some reason. I feel like now I'm just we're on our way to having fun. Yeah, now I'm just having fun with Mallu. It's very loud here and get out and talk about it.
Please.
I don't know, not like I'm not saying it in that sense. I'm just letting you know that my opinion on it is changing.
Even mine has. The more you get older, it does.
I feel like, yeah, same. It happens with age too.
Yeah.
You're never gonna know what we were talking about. Anyway, we have made it to Hoth. Hoth. That's how you spell it.
You spell it HOWT, but
HWTH, na?
yeah.
Okay, so we're going to this marketplace. Wait. Mallu just crosses like a desi girl everywhere.
Oh, who is waiting for signals and all
Right?
life
The most
lately?
population I've seen in Ireland so far
Bro, all of Ireland is
is
somehow
here. Yeah, all the people are here.
There's 5 million people, everyone's here.
And bro,
Yeah.
fuck the weather. It's like playing with our feelings at this point. It's really hot and then you're sweating and then it's really cold and then it's really hot. Like I can't understand. But anyway, let's go. Hoth market.
To get some banging food.
Yay, yeah. Yay, Mallu hasn't eaten anything. I don't know what she's doing.
Now I'm like starving. I'm ready to eat.
Mallu in candy heaven. Look at that.
I'm in heaven.
That actually looks so
I'm
good.
in heaven as well.
No, they're
honestly.
so good. Like, cold about it.
Yeah, Mal, this looks the best.
Yeah, I took
Yeah. Choose wisely. Take your time.
random.
This also looks good. I don't know what this is, but it looks good.
I think one.
What are you gonna do with one?
Do you have
Yeah.
pink bonbons? It's just the blue one. No? This is chili.
Ooh.
Chili? Oh no. Thank you.
That is a lot. These cupcakes look unreal. Try one. Take your
Which
pick.
one? Which one should we try?
Which one?
Sticky toffee pudding sounds
Sticky toffee
interesting.
pudding looks really good.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that.
And it was carrot cake, something, which I think will be really good. That is a life-changing cupcake.
It is so good. Insane. 10 on 10.
So pretty. Oh my god, wow. She's looking for this famous seal whose name is Sammy. But he's not coming out.
We call him Ballu.
Yeah.
Like, his name is Balwinder.
That's their made up name. What?
Everyone's ass is the same.
Ballu?
It says kiss my ass.
Where?
Bogmore Point.
Means
It
kiss
says
my
kiss
ass.
my ass.
Oh yeah, shit, that guy that. Where's Joel? See? I think this Sammy guy doesn't want to give me his clout, which is why he's not coming out.
Yeah. Because Sammy legit has
No,
like an
that's not.
Instagram page, guys. Like, I'm not even joking.
Oh shit!
Where are you gonna have a street basket? Just like selling it.
And just
Like
sell-
eat lunch.
Yeah.
Oh, good wow.
Good? Everyone is out and chilling because the weather is a vibe. Wow. Literally, like, I'm crying. Because this is so sweet. We're like sitting in the grass together. And we're in Hoth, somewhere in Ireland. And it's so nice. Like, it's so pretty. And like... Emotional. And like, actually, like, guys, you know, this trip, it almost got canned like
Multiple
15 times. Yeah. Like, I didn't even know whether I was gonna come. And
it was intense.
it's still sad that Sakshi's not here because she was supposed to be in Ireland with us.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, we'll do it again. We'll do something crazy.
See, this is the nice part of having like long distance friends. Like,
yeah, when you reunite, it's like something else.
and you get to meet in different countries, do
Yeah.
new things, have new experiences together.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah.
This
Like,
is
if
so
we were-
cool.
If we were in Bombay, we'd be sitting at your house.
I'm
But
just
when the
chilling,
fuck
yeah.
were we
Where
ever
are
gonna do
we?
this? Sis, are you planning on moving here?
No.
I think you should now.
No, but then if I move here, then how will we reunite again?
It's okay, I'm okay with that. The reuniting.
It's damn pretty though. This place is so too good. Like, imagine if that was your house. That blue thing. No.
Bro,
Right.
I tell
Like
you-
these. Look at these balconies.
See those amazing houses there.
Yeah,
like
those
the,
are so pretty.
the full glass windows.
Look at these blue balconies. And then look at those houses with the glass windows on top of the buildings.
Like, imagine living here where you have like a food market happen every Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
The sun is out. You're fucking like, there are seals just around.
Yeah, oh my god, the seal was insane.
Baloo.
Baloo.
Sammy.
Baloo X Sammy. Very cute.
Yeah.
We have done a 30-minute hike up to this gorgeous point, which is like, you can't even just wait. Bro, is this even real? Just sat down. We're tired now.
Yeah.
Like, now we needed to sit and
Yeah.
sit and chill.
Get like a drink, get some food.
We ordered some sangria. We ordered a jug of sangria. We gotta finish it.
We will. We can.
Yeah, we can. And we ordered some tacos. I ordered prawn tacos from. I ordered prawn tacos. This place is known for its seafood because it's like a coastal island.
Coastal village.
Coastal village. Every island is coastal. It's a coastal village. And Malu ordered jackfruit tacos.
And French guys.
Yeah, she.
It's very sad.
Yeah, it's very tough. Also.
It's very tough.
Yeah. Like, everywhere we go, there's like 2 veg options. If you're planning on traveling, then you know. Yeah.
Harry Thepla.
Harry Tepla is crazy. Tacos, sangria. That looks so fire. Guys, sangria update. It's over. And
Not take time at all.
guys, Manav just told me Super Over is happening. Lucknow and KKR are playing and the Super Over is going on. So we're gonna watch.
There's a Uniqlo bag in white. I also went.
Oh, that's a cute one.
I'm just carrying. I'm like collecting.
You have so many, bro. 2 is good. I don't think you need more than 2.
But then you need a Uniqlo bag to go with every outfit.
The black also goes with all outfits.
No, the white is nice, bro. Look at it. It's cute, yeah.
My eyes can't see so far. I'm not wearing chashma. Guys, my camera is dying. It's at 9%. I'll see you all when we're home. Bye. Good morning. Guys, look at this mug I'm drinking from. Malu's family pics.
You know what Kriti has done?
Arya, if you're watching this vlog,
Kriti has done. This mug was kept inside and she's like, your family member is staring at me. I was like, what are you staring? She's like, in the cabinet, your family member is staring at me. I looked and it was like, on the front, Dadi was there, okay? I was like, oh,
Oh,
it's
Joe,
the
there's
dead one also, bro.
This picture of Arya and Mallory I took in Goa. Then this is a pic of Dadi. Then this is their whole family. I don't think I was in their life at this point. No, I don't think in this picture, Malu. You're very... Oh, no. I was. I remember this black kurta of yours. That's it.
No, I can't take you everywhere. Now, family function we were going to.
That's really rude. Yeah, you should have taken me. Wow. Chef Malesh. Guys, 2 seconds I'm sitting here. First quesadillas. Now Kriti has made a yogurt bowl with berries. I think they should charge people to come and live in their house and then just keep serving them like a hotel. Because this hospitality is better than most places in Europe. Taste test. Fire! It's a good 9.8.5.
What's the half point for?
I don't want to give full like first day only, like, you know.
We'll make the Snickers one for you.
Bro, if you're impressed by this, you're gonna be impressed by all our food very easily. This is the easiest thing.
I
to make.
love this. I think I should learn some things and go now.
You don't have enough time.
And she's gonna have aarti with you. She's not gonna enter the kitchen.
She's actually gone for a magni. She's not there for a month.
She's gonna come back at some point now.
Is it Mr. Cutie Pie? Oh,
Mr. Cutie Pie ice cream truck. Okay, because
guys, this ice cream truck comes to Malu's complex and like plays music randomly. We were like in pajamas in bed and we ran down. Like we have sprinted.
Can I tell you, he comes every like Mondays and Thursdays, okay, in the summer. And there's always just one kid and me. Always front and center of the line for ice cream.
Yeah, there's only kids here.
There's me also now.
I'm in pajamas and choppers. Oh my god, just look. Vibes. Every time the sun is out, can you all see? I don't even know if you can see. Malu starts losing her mind. Like she just stands in front of the sun.
Like a dog. When you live in a country which doesn't have sun,
Yeah,
it's
you
the
feel
saddest
deprived.
thing. Yeah.
I saw yesterday also a bunch of people were just like standing in the sun.
We were all walking from somewhere. Okay, there was like a group of people and we were behind them. We were walking and it was blocked by buildings. But the second there was an open spot, everyone stopped and just stared at the sun.
I stared at the sun. It was crazy. Finally, out of the house in regular clothes that are not pajamas. Your girl got her period today, and Malu and I had to catch up on a lot of Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
So we were like, you know what? We're tired. Like we did a day in London, then we came here, then we went to a rooftop party, then yesterday we went to Hoth. So we were just like, you know what? Let's take a break. And we took a break and we watched Splitsvilla all day.
The sun was not out. Like nobody.
Yeah, it was
wanted
very,
to
very
do it.
gloomy. Not the vibes. But then,
It's still gloomy.
yeah, it's still like, see, it's great.
But we got ice cream, we saw a little bit of the sun, and we're gonna go to Phoenix Park, which
And-
is the largest.
She's giving all wrong facts. Don't listen to her. No, she
said it.
No.
I told you last time also, and I googled it and I showed you. Even Kriti told you the same
Yeah,
thing.
Kriti did tell me the same thing, but many of her facts are wrong. And I've realized because sometimes I'll come home and tell Kriti or Kashish, oh, like, you know what? Malu told me this, and they're like, that's not it.
Oldest
Like,
book in
that's
the
not it.
universe was not it, but
yeah,
oldest
oldest-
Bible was it, na?
Not oldest Bible.
It is the
not
oldest
the oldest
Bible.
She checked. It's not. How?
What Bible is that?
See, she doesn't know. We convinced Kashish also to come out.
I was ready.
Oh, she was going before we told her.
going to go for my run, then I decided against that.
She convinced us to go on a run with her. And now we're out and about. It's so pretty, it's so green. How much greenery is too much greenery?
Never enough.
Never.
Never enough.
All the words in the dictionary she has changed. Nothing sounds like it's supposed to.
No, like we all talk really odd, like
Yeah.
and we pick it up easily from each other.
Like today they were talking to each other and they were like, oh, back in India. And I was like, what? Like, where?
India?
That's what you said.
And you?
Yeah, when you were talking to Adi, you were like, and yeah? Girls.
Did not been bad.
Yeah, obviously.
Because we all talk like this. We all talk really odd.
And by the way, that means India. Yes.
Yeah, India.
Yeah. No disrespect to our country. We love our desh. It's just like supposed to be a fun thing.
Like we're just talking weird because
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
like dumb people. We're like it's not deep.
Yeah. Okay, so secured some berry flavored beer and strawberry and lime.
Yeah. This is not beer. It's cider.
Oh, cider. Oh, I love cider. I've been newly introduced to cider and I'm a fan. Walking, still walking. This park was supposed to be 5 minutes away from the house.
10 minutes. It is a 10-minute walk to Phoenix Park. Yeah.
You said 5 minutes.
I didn't say 5.
Liar, pants on fire.
It's a 10-minute walk. It's right here. Yeah, it's right there.
Where?
You're gonna see it soon.
You're walking on the longer side of the.
Oh lol.
Yeah, she's right.
Sure, there's lots of trees.
You do what you want.
Wow.
Castle now gate.
Acting like I've never seen trees before, but if you live in Bombay, you know that trees are not a common. Greenery is not a common thing.
Yeah, bitches.
Oh. I suddenly realized this park is massive. This is not even like 1/20th of it. Guys, we are walking to a shit ton of deers. Wait until we get closer. Can you all see? Oh my god.
Those are babies.
What the fuck?
They have been told to run.
This is insanity. Oh my god. We are in a safari. There's one behind there. There's one right behind my room. Grocery shopping is happening. 125? Oh, that's chicken dippers. Wow. Look. It looks insane. Look at the sunset. Oh, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why have you gone back to sit? This is so pretty. Also, look at this tree. Live life king size, guys.
Come visit Ireland, guys. It's so pretty.
Yes, Malu will show everyone around.
I will show you guys around. Just hit me up.
Hit her up. Comment Mallory and I'll send you her contact number.
Oh, please. I'm too anti-social.
Guys, I'm about to go to bed. It has been a long day. Actually, not very much. But I'm about to go to bed.